iPhone Bluetooth audio stuttering and cutting out on iOS 26? Here are 16 step-by-step fixes from the quickest restart to the full reset.
Start with the simplest fix. Turn the speaker or headphones off. Wait 10 to 30 seconds for a full power down. Turn it back on, play audio, and check.
If it supports a factory reset, that is an even stronger version of this fix.
Open Settings and tap Bluetooth. Turn the toggle off. Wait at least 20 seconds, not 5. Then turn it back on. Your device reconnects. Test the audio.
Control Center only disconnects accessories, so use Settings for a real radio reset.
Swipe down to open Control Center and tap Airplane Mode. Wait about 10 seconds, then tap it again to turn it off. Reconnect and test. Apple's own guidance says Airplane Mode may eliminate audio interference.
Bluetooth shares the 2.4 GHz band with Wi-Fi routers, microwaves, and cordless phones. Stay within about 33 feet or 10 meters of the accessory. Move away from interference sources.
Test in another location. Crowded places are the worst. Switching your router to 5 GHz can also free up the band.
Open Settings, tap Bluetooth, and tap the info button next to your device. Choose Forget this device, then confirm with Forget device.
Now put the accessory into pairing mode. Wait for it to appear under Other Devices and tap it. This creates a brand new connection, the most commonly effective fix.
Try a normal restart first. Hold the side button and a volume button, then slide to power off. Still stuttering?
Force restart. Quickly press and release volume up. Then volume down, then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. No data is lost.
Open Settings, General, Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. And keep the phone on Wi-Fi and power. Check again later. Apple ships Bluetooth fixes in point releases.
iOS 26.1 already fixed Wi-Fi and Bluetooth disconnects on iPhone 17 models.
Open the manufacturer's app, JBL, Bose, Sony, Anker. Find firmware update and keep the device charged and close until it finishes. AirPods update automatically.
Check the version under Settings, Bluetooth, then the Info button. Note: some speakers like the JBL Go 3 have no updatable firmware.
Open Settings, Privacy and Security, Bluetooth. Look for apps with auto-detect features and toggle off any suspicious ones.
In a documented iOS 18 era case, the Renfo Health app caused constant reconnects until its Bluetooth permission was removed. Audio became stable immediately.
Open Settings, General, AirPlay, and Continuity. Turn on Keep Audio with headphones. This iOS 26 setting stops car stereos and nearby speakers from hijacking your audio.
Also set automatically AirPlay to never or ask.
Open Control Center and tap the Bluetooth button. All accessories disconnect until the next day, per Apple's design. Then reconnect only the one you need.
Great when several devices are fighting over the connection.
Open Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and confirm.
This clears Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth pairings. Your photos and apps are kept. Rejoin Wi-Fi and pair your devices again.
Same path. Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Reset. This time choose Reset All Settings and enter your passcode.
It resets system preferences, sounds, notifications, wallpaper, without touching your data. Redo the basics afterward.
Back up your iPhone first, iCloud, or a computer. Then transfer or reset iPhone and erase all content and settings. Set up as new or restore and test audio before reinstalling apps.
Be aware, for the iPhone 17 with certain speakers, even this did not help. It is likely a system bug.
Test with a different accessory first. Then report the bug at apple.com feedback, choose iPhone and Bluetooth, and include your iOS version, iPhone model, and accessory.
Console logs via a Mac show the clue. A 2DP packet flushed, audio cue full. Also, contact the manufacturer. Both sides need the data.
In documented cases, a JBL Go 3 stuttered with an iPhone 17 on iOS 26, while an Anker Soundcore worked fine on the same phone. Borrow another brand. If it works, the incompatibility is device-specific.
Decide. Wait for a fix or switch accessories.
All 116 fixes at a glance, from easy restarts and repairing to network resets and a full erase. Start easy. Escalate only if you need to.
Why does this happen? Most likely, an iOS 26A2 DP buffer bug, audio packets get flushed when the queue fills.
Community reports also point to the new iPhone 17 wireless chip with certain speakers. Note, N1 is community terminology, not confirmed by Apple.
Possible causes: the iOS 26.1 regression, 2.4 GHz interference, apps abusing Bluetooth, auto audio switching, stale pairing data, and accessory firmware.
One documented case: an app's Bluetooth permission caused constant reconnects.
Here is the evidence. Console logs captured via a Mac show the stutter is a dropped packet problem. A 2DP packet flushed, audio queue full, and write in progress status 65535.
RSI is strong, so it is not signal strength.
The timeline. iOS 26.0 started the reports. 26.0 fixed disconnects but not stutter. 26.1 was mixed. 26.3 brought a few unconfirmed reports of improvement. 26.4 had no audio fix, and neither did 26.5 or 26.6. Released July 27th, 2026.
As of August 2026, no public iOS 26 update is confirmed to fix this stutter class.
Thanks for watching. Start with the easy fixes, restart, repair, update. Most stutter clears with the first few steps. Keep iOS updated and report bugs to Apple.
No official fix is confirmed as of August 2026. Your reports and updates are what change that.